everyone, welcome to my crazy life. Is it my blurry life? It's Lori, and ooh, I am fried today. Look at this. It was chilly yesterday, so I went and saw my little cousin Riley play baseball, and we were sitting outside obviously, and I didn't think sunblock. It's cold, but whatever. So I got sunburned. Shout out today to Carter. Hi Carter, how are ya? And we have all the animals. Alex and, oh, don't spill the coffee, girl. And Miss Luna is here visiting. So go show you her belly. Luna is my niece Sarah's dog, and she came to visit us today. Okay, so there you go, girl. And coffee is hazelnut. No, yes, hazelnut in my Cafe du Monde cup from New Orleans. I'm freezing, and I'm cooking like a mad woman today. Next week, no, yes, when you're seeing this, it'll be next week. I'm having some shoulder surgery, and I'll be down and out for a little while. Hi, Alex. I'll be down and out for a little while, one-armed, cooking-wise, so I'm prepping all the things. Last night I made a beef roast and a pork roast, and I'm going to make some barbecue pulled pork and some beef roast with some veg, and I'm going to freeze them all up. So I got some things for that, and then I'll just have a freezer full of pre-cooked food. So let's show you what I got. This is not all for that. I got all kinds of different stuff, but Welch's grape juice, yeah, sugar-free. These are the mix-ins. I buy them all the time. I love grape, especially if I'm recuperating. I really like grape. I don't know why, but whatever. I found a couple of these things that are like on the wire, and you can bend them and make things out of them. I grabbed 2 black because I think these are going to be super fun for some Halloween crafting. And then I got 1 mint color because that just was fun. If I see more black, I'm going to pick them up. I like the black. I just think these will be really fun to make something. Who knows, but. So I grabbed 3 of those just for future crafting. One of these, look at that. Is that the sweetest? I feel like my mom had one of these when we were little. They came in white and pink. The scent is supposed to be blushed white wine. I'm not sure what it smells like. I didn't get it for the smell. If it gets burned, it does. If not, it's just for decor and I actually might burn it so I can reuse this little jar, but it is sweet. I think these are called hobnail because they're bumpy. So I grabbed 1. I just needed 1. See, I just needed 1. Hi, Alex. Where you going, Luna? She gets into the cat food. I found some new to me Bolero products that I hadn't seen before. These little lotions, which I thought were nice and cute. Oh, I'm sorry. This is coconut and rose oil. We're going to smell it here in a second. But then they also had something new, face serum. Alex, sweetie, don't rub on that. Face serum. So we're going to open that one, because clearly I need some face serum. I'm all burnt. And I definitely try not to burn. I have enough sun damage on my skin that I definitely wear sunblock. I just wasn't thinking clearly yesterday, apparently. All right, so this is a jar. It has these little sticky thingies on the back. Smells like rose. I'm not sure if I'm getting coconut. Light both. Yeah, I like that. It's very subtle. I'm not sure what's in the serum because, you know, who can read print that small? It's an oil-based something. I'll try it and see after I get these sticky thingies off the back. So I got that, and then a lotion. I anticipate the lotion is going to be like all the other Bolero lotions and kind of runny, but in the summertime, I don't need as thick of a lotion, I feel like, as I do in the winter, because I'm wearing a lot of like suntan oil and things in the summer. So this comes with 2, and these have those sticky things on the back too. We'll have to work on that. 1 fluid ounce each, so they're perfect for like purse size. I think they're trying to go with like the L'Occitane look or more high-end look, but let's try it. It's not super runny, which is good. It's thick-ish. Yeah, it's thickish. It doesn't feel overly sticky. Yeah, I'll use this. It's got a little bit of a sticky to it, but I feel like it's gonna dry fast. I smell like my grandma. That's what I got. And let's see what else. Okay, this bag is all the things. I grabbed these because they freeze well and they're a good portion size for me, but this was the bonus pack. So there's 5 2-cup containers in this one and 5 in this one, which is 1.5 cups in the round. So I grabbed 5 and 5. These are perfect for the freezer. I can write on them with a Sharpie what's in it if I think I won't know. And I got a 4-pack of these little tiny ones just to keep stuff in, either in the freezer or in the fridge. And then for packing the meals, I got 2 of these, 2-packs. So there's 4, just smaller. If you watch my haul video, I got some larger ones from a store called GFS, but I wanted some smaller ones to make some individual meals as well for me. So I grabbed these, and again, they're from the Dollar Tree. I don't care if they get gross and I just have to throw them away, but I need to have meals that I can easily get into with one arm. I picked up some instant coffee. This will not be part of my coffee challenge or coffee taste test, which will be out the week that I am recovering. So I'm going to pre-record a bunch of videos for that week I'm having surgery. And the coffee taste test will be one, and the question and answer will be one. So if you have any questions, go ahead and put them somewhere so I'll know, and I'll write them down, and then I can answer them for you. So those videos will be out while I'm recovering, during the beginning of the basic recovery, until I can start moving around and stuff. So anyway, this instant coffee I use when I cook. It's gonna go, a little bit goes into some keto sausage gravy that I'm making, but also if you make chocolate cakes, chocolate frosting, coffee makes chocolate taste more chocolatey. So you can use a little instant coffee and it kind of boosts your chocolatiness. There was a whole mouthful. And then for my sweet little cousin, I got her the 3-pack of bracelets. They're just little stretch bracelets. And they say, "This girl can, girl boss, and hello beautiful." I just thought those were sweet for her. I got myself, and this is a Crown Jewels journal. Look at the front of that, and the gold metallic. I'm assuming, and this was the only one I saw at my store, which was perfect. Yeah, oh, look it, there's little cacti on the pages. So this is cactus meets llama. That is sweet. And it's just a little notebook. I don't know how many pages, but I use a lot of notebooks. Trying not to buy so many, but I mean, please. It's a llama, there's cactus, and this gold foiled. And it's a nice size notebook for the things. So I picked up that for me. I picked up another set of Easter bags to take some stuff to work. And this one can just be for summer. So I grabbed those, 2 for $1. I mean, that is a super good deal on gift bags in general, but to have printed holiday gift bags for that is great. The last of the Easter gifting that I'm buying is some man socks this time. Look at the keyboards. The person that these are going to, he is a musician. So I know he will love those. And who doesn't need dinosaur socks? I mean, what? And they're the same size, I believe. Yeah, men's size 6 to 12. The pianos feel a little thicker, but I just thought these would be fun. Easter, little something for somebody. And then I got him some Juji fruits. to go with it. So that's an Easter gift for a grown-up. They don't need all the things. And that will go with Sarah. I picked up for my brother, where we like to bicycle, and I got him a pair of bicycle socks. His birthday's coming up. Maybe I'll give him these and some other things, but yeah, and these are decent quality socks, and they're just bicycles. I would keep them for me, but I already have bicycle socks, and these would never fit my feet. So, but if you have a larger woman's foot, these would work for you. I just wear an 8, 8.5, so these will not, but I should get them out one day and try them on and show you. But if you have like a 9, 10, I don't see why these wouldn't work for you. And last, but certainly not least, I did get a DIY that I'm going to do. I just don't know if we want to see a video of it. It's kind of simple. But I'm gluing 2 of these baskets together. This is just the trash can and the white. I wanted the black. They didn't have it. Whatever. I'm going to hot glue and E6000 and probably put some wire to hold these together. I'm not sure if you can see, but it's going to make, I'm going to make a plant stand. So these are going to be most likely like all the things, wired, hot glued, and E6000 together. And then what happens is you sit them on the ground, or what I'm doing. So I've seen some people put tabletops on them, but what I'm going to do is on my front porch, I'm going to set a plant in here. And then when I water it, it's a Boston fern, so you have to water it till it goes all the way through. And then it can raise it up off the ground so the fronds can hang out, and it the water won't get trapped in there and get gross. So that's, you know, the whole deal. I'm just gonna wire it together with some twisty wire, and after I E6000 and do some hot gluing to it. So that was my whole Dollar Tree haul this week. Not a whole lot going on. I just don't have a lot of crafty things planned because I'm kind of going to be down and out. But I'll have different kind of videos for you. May not be Monday through Friday at first because I've got to see, they're not really sure. I have some arthritis up in here, so they're going to fix that. And I don't have a torn rotator cuff, but I have a frayed rotator cuff, whatever the heck that means. So when he gets in there, he said if they have to repair my rotator cuff, I'll be out of work 6 weeks. If not, I'll be out of work 2 weeks. So we'll see what goes on. She's a licker. I will have the videos for you, and you guys have a good day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye. Crazy dog. You crazy girl. You're a crazy girl. I know. You like to have your belly rubbed. Okay. Okay. Say bye. Bye. You're crazy.